How are you all doing? I welcome you to today's video. So, I don't know how many of you remember, but a while back we did something called Buying Wish Mystery Tech, where I got my friends to send me links, which they didn't send me, so that I could buy mystery tech on Wish. Well, turns out we didn't use Wish, we used a site called Joom, but basically same principle. I wasn't here for the past 2 months, but as you can imagine, the stuff came from China, so it did take a while to come. But that also means my 2 months of not being here means the stuff has already arrived. So a lot of these packages I have already opened, and they are pre-recorded on the computer. But I didn't upload the episode because I was waiting for one more package. The one with probably the most exciting things. It's in episodes like this that I think it's super important to thank all you guys using the affiliate links, thank all you guys subscribing to our sponsors, because it's thanks to you that I'm able to record these videos where I spend a lot of money. So if you guys want to support the channel while getting something back in return, let's say you're buying something on Amazon, let's say you want to subscribe to Audible, or just download Honey, which is entirely free. Check out the links down in the description below, because it's thanks to those links and thanks to the people using those links that I can make videos like this where I spend a lot of money. Thank you so much. Let's move on with the video. So let's open that right now. Here it is. As you can see, Joom written all over it. Let's open it right up and see what we have inside. Okay. One package. Two. Wow. 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay, let me grab my trusty knife and let's open these up. We're gonna start with these. I believe these could be our fake AirPods, because I remember that we got some sort of fake AirPods and those didn't come on time. So I can see the sign on them. It says InPods 12. So I guess these are our InPods 12. So as you guys can see here, they come in a bunch of really weird colors. Let's open up the box. A very high standard. It's like, it's dirty or something. Can you guys see that? Let me show you. Look at that. It's like it's, what the hell? Let's take this out. Box, and we have, oh, it comes with a lightning cable. These things charge using lightning. That is hilarious. Okay, I see the reset button at the back. Let's see how they click. Okay, not bad actually. Certainly feels flimsy. Like when it's open, it kind of like flops around. And oh my god, that's horrifying. That is horrendous. Oh my god, that is absolutely horrendous. Oh, it speaks. I just heard it say connected. How do you even put this into your ear? Well, there's 0 noise cancellation. That's for one. Wait, what did they connect to? I heard it say connected. Okay, I see them here on my phone. I'm gonna pair with them now. Allow access to call history and contacts. No. Okay. I mean, wait, let me actually move to a bassy part. Let me say, I am surprised. Like, it's not bad. No, do not power. It powered off on me. Let me tell you, these are not bad at all. They're not good by any standards. Don't get me wrong. They do not compare at all to my Galaxy Buds. But considering these things were like, how much were they? Bring it up there. We have these earbuds, which are essentially AirPod clones, which you guys also chose on the Discord server. They actually look pretty decent in the photos. This is not bad. They feel bad in my ear. Like, they feel like they are going to fall out, but they don't. Like, they genuinely don't. There's 0 noise cancellation. Of course there is. They have some sort of touch controls to the point where I believe just tapping it pauses the music, and then tapping it again plays the music. So they actually genuinely have touch controls. And the case is not as bad as I thought it would be. I will not be wearing these, but the audio quality is not bad for the price, of course. Would I recommend getting them? I don't know, maybe if you're on a budget. I don't know, like, that isn't bad, like, at all. Let me be completely honest with you. I am surprised. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. For the price, not bad. We seem to have a magnetic USB Type-C cable, which definitely doesn't do data transfer. It's just simply a magnetic charging cable, and I assume that this works. I truly assume that this works. Like, I don't think this is not going to work. Am I willing to plug it into my phone? Probably not. Okay, I'm gonna risk my phone's life. I'm gonna plug this thing. As you can see, I already have magnetic connectors. I'm gonna plug this thing into my phone. See what happens when we plug it into charging. Oh, that is flimsy. That is flimsy. Okay. As you see, the cable lights up blue. It does actually charge. Not really willing to keep it connected in there for too long. God knows what kind of data it's sending off. That is, I mean, the magnet's pretty strong. Like, okay, this is the wireless charger. I don't know why I got this. I'm questioning a lot of things right now. Why I wasted my money. This says fast charging. I don't believe that. I don't know. It doesn't feel bad. A lot of these are really making me question my sanity while buying these because I don't know why. Let's put my Galaxy Buds on it. Since the iPhone 8 Plus died. Oh, it's red. It is red. I don't know if you guys can see that because the LED on the Galaxy Buds is tiny. It is actually red. Currently, everything we got works, which is definitely a plus. I mean, that's what I was hoping for. I was hoping for working things, not broken things. Okay, I have no clue what this is, honestly. Zero possible ideas. Oh my god, we got a Bluetooth speaker. It looks good. Like, this is one of the things that I bought that I was like, this genuinely looks good. Now I regret. Look at that. Look how dirty it is. Can you see that? Look at all that. What is this? But anyway, let's clean it off. It feels very cheap. I don't know why I thought it wouldn't be. There's a slidey thing at the back.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I've heard that somewhere already. I'm not sure where, but I'm sure I did. This can't be good. Oh, the buds, they don't turn themselves off when I'm not giving it access to my call history.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Like, at first, it doesn't seem bad. Wait for the beat drop, because the bass is what's going to hurt this. There's like air coming out the back. I don't know what's happening. I don't know how much this cost. It certainly looked better in the pictures. Again, I don't recommend buying any of these. I bought them so that you don't have to. It's heavy. Whatever it is, it's heavy for the size. Okay. The credit card holder. Let's press... Okay. I can totally see someone getting scared to hell if I did that in a shop. So, I don't think this is working the way it's supposed to, because on the picture, it seems like the cards came out one by one, and they were all kind of stacked up, while here, it really doesn't work that way. I feel lied to, because I thought I was going to get this cool credit card holder thing, when in reality, I just got something that I slide my cards into, and then it kind of pops out and scares everyone in the shop. All my cards are in there now. Okay, so thank you, me from the future. So it's been quite some time since the first video we made, but the things have started arriving, and the first 3 packages are here. So let's just unbox them and see what we actually got in the package. So I have no clue what these are. They're completely unlabeled and they're covered in tape. So let's just rip it open. Okay. I can see a box in here and I'm terrified. Oh god. It is the light bulb. It's the light bulb that is going to set my house on fire. Oof. I don't know if I even want to plug that thing in. Next box. What do we have in here? We have... Oh my god. It's the fake micro SD cards. Well, what I'm gonna call fake micro SD cards. We're gonna try fill them up in a sec. And I'm gonna try fill this thing up with 64 gigs. And we are going to see whether I can actually fit 64 gigabytes on this thing. We got a nice little micro SD card reader with it. And the last box, it's a case. It's my phone case. So we can now finally replace my... Hell yeah. Check it out. So now we have a case for my phone. Pretty cool. That's going to take a little bit of getting used to the feel of this. Okay, guys, so I'm copying the data onto the micro SD card right now, and I have taken the bulb out of its package and gotten this little thing, so let's put it in and let's see if it burns down my house, shall we? Moment of truth. Okay. I mean, it wouldn't light up a room like the E-lights do, but I mean, it works. So this is max brightness. The camera isn't even grabbing that correctly, but Yeah. Okay, so the exposure on the camera is solved now. You should be able to see this thing. It's not very bright at all. Oh, okay, I was wrong. That is bright. Like, that could potentially actually do something. I don't think I'm going to be using this as a camera light anytime soon. As you can see, it's not doing much for the exposure of the camera, but that is turning up the brightness. It doesn't get much brighter. Turning it down, however, does in fact, as you can see, produce a flickering on the camera. So yeah, there's a few shades of brightness. There's a smooth option, which I assume is just going to smoothly... That's not very smooth. And as a bonus, it didn't burn down my house, so yeah. Okay, you guys, so this thing just arrived. I opened it off camera. I totally forgot that I was supposed to be opening these on camera, but I didn't know what it was, so this thing came. Okay, you guys, we're back. More Zoom stuff came in, so I'm super excited to see what's in this package. So, let's rip it open and see what's inside, I guess. I'm still using the phone case that came with it. My little calculator weird thing came. It's kind of a novelty item, but it's pretty cool. So let's rip this open and see what we got. It's kind of heavy, this one. So I'm thinking something hefty is going to be in here. 2 smaller packages. This is the kind of hefty one. Oh, I think I know what that is. I think I know what this is. This is... Oh, it's not. It's the dock. It's the dock for the iPad. I would have expected it to be much larger. And next thing we have is this. Damn, the scalpel just cuts right through that. This is... So this is the case for the iPhone. So let's try it on, see how it fits. Look at that. That is pretty damn nice. I will not lie to you. The red and black paint is just coming off, and there's a scratch. No! And in that case, I'm gonna guess this is probably the case for my friend. Here it is. I mean, it's really nice. If he wasn't getting a new phone, it would be cool. But, yeah, no, pretty damn cool. Okay, that is going to fall over. This is not meant for an iPad. That's a shame. That is an awful shame. Well then, that's sorted. The iPad has to stay in the current stand, which is 3D printed. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay, I've just woken up and the best Zoom product has arrived. It's here. Hell yes. Oh my god. It turns off when it's like bright, and then if it's dark and it detects movement, it powers on. It's creepy. It's actually creepy. What have we learnt in Wish Mystery Tech? Did I waste my money? Maybe, possibly. I'm gonna leave that one up to you guys. Everything we bought works. It's cheap. This is just a fun toy, if anything. But I mean, it is here. It works. We did get what we paid for, and we didn't pay a lot for it, so maybe the items in this episode were crap. But do you know what isn't crap? Audible. Audible is the leading provider of audiobooks on the internet, and I bet you have heard of them. They have thousands of amazing audiobooks to choose from, and if you're like me, you like to have something on in the background while you're working. Audible is great for that. I listen to Audible while I'm working on DIY projects, making thumbnails, or even just relaxing. Like right now, I am listening to a book called The History of the Future by Blake J. Harris. He is the author of Console Wars, and there's even a foreword in there from Ernest Cline, who is the author of Ready Player One. So if you guys watch that movie, you know it's about virtual reality, you know this is what we do. This book is my thing. It's super interesting. Even though they are best known for their audiobooks, they offer so much more. As well as audiobooks, you have a huge selection of podcasts, guided wellness programs, theatrical performances, and of course, Audible exclusives that you will not find anywhere else. So why not try it out? With the link in the description, you get 1 audiobook and 1 month of Audible entirely free. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too, but please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet part of this community, make sure to join our Discord down in the description below. Also join our Reddit. I want to see you guys posting spice memes. I post tech videos daily and VR videos on Mondays and Fridays. So if that floats your boat, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.